Hello children, Sujata Miss is here with another video. Now this video is for class 10 ICSE board, and in this video let me explain the next season, that is the southwest monsoon season. Now this season extends from June to September. I always mention that extensions are important, okay? So this season extends from June to September. The southwest monsoon winds divide into two branches due to tapering shape of India. Give reason that why it divides. It is because of the tapering shape of India. Just now, children, you can see the map. This is southwest monsoon. Now this southwest monsoon has got this tapering shape, and because of this tapering shape, the southwest monsoon, it's getting divided into two branches. One that is going to Bay of Bengal is known as Bay of Bengal branch, and one that goes to Arabian Sea is known as Arabian Sea branch. Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch is stronger than Bay of Bengal branch because of two reasons. One, Arabian Sea is bigger than Bay of Bengal, and second, whole of Arabian Sea branch enters India, while a part of Bay of Bengal branch enters India. Rest mostly goes to Myanmar. Now let us discuss about Bay of Bengal branch. Now this part of Bay of Bengal branch that enters India, it enters India through northeastern states. It strikes against the hills Garo, Khasi and drops heavy rainfall on the windward side. Moshinram, Cherrapunji, these places gets heavy rainfall, while Shillong, which is on the leeward side, gets less rainfall. This wind cannot cross Himalayas because of high altitude, and then this wind is now attracted towards that low pressure area in northwest part of India. So it moves along the foothills of the Himalayas, blow from east to west, and by the time it reaches Rajasthan, it is already dry. Now let me see the map. See children, this is our Bay of Bengal branch. Now this Bay of Bengal branch maximum goes to Myanmar, and a small portion or a part of it enters India. When it enters India through northeastern states. Now as it enters in the northeastern states, it hits against these three hills, Garo, Khasi and here Garo Khasi, mainly Garo Khasi. And then it drops maximum rainfall here in the Cherrapunji region or in Moshinram, which lies on the windward side. Whereas Shillong, which lies on the leeward side, gets less rainfall. Now this wind cannot cross the Himalayas because of its high altitude, and at the same time it is attracted towards this low pressure area. So it starts blowing from east to west, dropping moisture as it is moving along the foothills of the Himalayas. Maximum moisture it will drop in the eastern side, and as it moves towards the west, the amount decreases, and by the time it comes to low pressure area, it becomes dry. So this is one reason why Rajasthan do not get rainfall from Bay of Bengal branch. Next, let us do with Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch strikes India after striking against the Western Ghats. Arabian Sea branch, it enters India after striking against the Western Ghats, dropping heavy rainfall on the windward side of the Western Ghat. Western coastal plains, it receives heavy rainfall because it lies on the windward side. For example, Mumbai gets heavy rainfall, while the eastern coastal plains get less rainfall as it lies in the leeward side. Pune gets less rainfall compared to Mumbai because Mumbai is on the Western Ghat, on the windward side of the Western Ghat, whereas Pune is on the leeward side of the Western Ghat. Now then this branch again moves towards that low pressure area. while it is moving towards that low pressure area, Aravalli comes on its way, but this Aravalli lies parallel to this branch. Therefore, this branch do not bring any rainfall in Rajasthan. And then it moves towards low pressure area in northwest. Often near Delhi, it converges with the Bay of Bengal branch and cause heavy rainfall. So children, let me see here. See, this is our Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch is entering India after striking against the Western Ghats. Therefore, children, this is which is the windward side will get heavy rainfall as it lies. The western coastal plain gets heavy rainfall as it lies on the windward side of the Western Ghat, whereas this part of peninsular India gets less rainfall as it lies in the leeward side of Western Ghat. Therefore, I told you Mumbai gets heavy rainfall because it is on the windward side, whereas Pune gets less rainfall because it is on the leeward side. Now, this branch will move towards this low pressure area. As it is moving, it becomes parallel to the Aravalli range. So, it cannot drop any moisture in this part of our country. Therefore, Rajasthan do not get much rainfall. Now, when it comes near Delhi, almost near Delhi, it converges with Bay of Bengal branch. So, it is in this region when these two branches combine, causing heavy rainfall. Okay, so that's all with both the branches. Now, what are the characteristics of the southwest monsoon? The first characteristic is it is periodic in nature. And what is the periodic wind? That completely reverses its direction after every 6 months. Second, it is sporadic. Third, erratic in nature. The next characteristic, it is not evenly distributed over the year. We have rainfall from June to August, June, July, August, September. We have monsoon season, then we have maximum rainfall. Rest of the months it is dry. And it is also not evenly distributed throughout the country. There are some places which is having heavy rainfall like Mumbai, Kerala, Cherrapunji, then Moshinram. They have heavy rainfall. Whereas there are some places which have very less rainfall, like for example, Rajasthan is a desert area. Similarly, Deccan Plateau lies on the leeward side, so gets less rainfall. And then next characteristic, it is orographic in nature. Now, whenever monsoon hits, this coming of monsoon is not very quietly. It comes, this is a sudden, violent onset of monsoon, usually in first week of June, and this sudden coming of monsoon is known as burst of monsoon, and it first hits the state of Kerala. And during this monsoon period, there is a break. There are few days when we won't have any rainfall. That is known as a dry period. And this dry period that we have during the rainy season or during the southwest monsoon season is known as break of monsoon. So that's all, children. Now once again, children, I'm telling you, if you really like my videos, please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you, children.